What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, you guys. I know it has been a while. I've been working, and if you follow my Instagram, there's something going on with me, and I don't know what it is yet. I just came back, had my ultrasound. I was going to do it live because it's like the coolest thing ever. Like, they put it on this big wall, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I'm a little nervous. So, guys, I don't mean to be rude, but I got to keep my phone right here. I'm keeping it on ringer because you guys know I do not edit. If you are new to my channel, I don't edit at all. And I got a surprise behind me to show you guys in my next video, which I'm super, super excited for. So happy Valentine's Day to all you guys who celebrate. Not really about Valentine's Day kind of girl, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I don't know. I don't go to dinner. It's like an overhyped holiday, if you know what I'm talking about. Like, you spend double the amount of money to go out to eat, and I don't know. I'm just not like big on Valentine's Day. But I got a big surprise for you guys in store that is behind me, and I cannot wait to share everything with you guys. So let's get into this 13K. First, let me say thank you to everybody who has stayed subscribed, who has been subscribed for a long time. I'm super excited. I'm beyond excited. So let's get into this, you guys. I miss you so much. My next video, I do have kind of a lot to say about YouTube. We will get into that in the next video, which I'm going to film after either what's behind me or after the next one, because I am home. I cannot work for a couple of days, so I figured, you know what, since I can't do anything, I might as well just try to film my ass off. So you guys, you ready for this? Okay, so this company, beautiful many ethnicities. Oh my God, you guys, I can't read. I need glasses. Okay. A doctor and 3 daughters created this line. Shampoo, conditioner, and a treatment. You guys, they sent me 1 set for you guys, 1 set for me, which I'm super excited to give you guys. The smell is unreal. You guys, the smell is absolutely amazing. If you have curly hair, dry, brittle hair, any kind of hair type, you can rock this shampoo. Here she is right here. She is a doctor and she has 3 daughters. And if I'm not mistaken, they came out with this line. I will link it below because it's absolutely freaking amazing. So you guys will be getting the shampoo, the conditioner, and Made with Love Scientific Leave-In Conditioning Cream. So love it. Absolutely love it. Let's get into all the makeup now, you guys. Ready for this? All right. So you guys, what you're going to do is, all you have to do is, like, my videos are so easy. Be subscribed to my channel. I want you to comment if you want 1 or 2 winners on the giveaway. That is it. So first thing is a palette from Sleek. You guys, this is absolutely stunning. I don't want to touch it, but look at the colors. Bam! Like, absolutely beautiful. You'll be getting that. So excited. I get excited for makeup, you guys. So excited, but all right, we'll get into the other one in a different video. This blush palette, I literally wanted to keep for myself. I'm going to try to find another one. But I love the colors, and the camera is showing it no justice. But it is absolutely freaking amazing. Hair is greasy, not washed, don't care. So, let's get into the rest of it. Because of my other video, I did the giveaway so fast, and it was like not really my 13K giveaway, so I combined everything together. So, favorite mascara from Maybelline, which I need to do a video on with Maybelline because I went to the Desi X Katie with Maybelline. It was bomb, you guys. Bought my friend Jessie over there. We had a great time. Loved it. Got some really awesome products from Maybelline. I got a gift bag from Maybelline too with doubles, so that will be for another future giveaway once we hit like 13,500. I'm pushing it, you guys. All right, so the next thing is Naked Basic palette. Who doesn't want this? Like, you can rock this all the time, every day, all day. Pixie by Petra concealer. If it doesn't fit you, keep it. Use it for an eyeshadow primer. There's so many different things. Don't worry about it. Concealer is great for an eyeshadow primer. Next thing is Clarins, which is my favorite line. Right here, you're receiving this. And this is their exfoliating body scrub. Another one of my favorite lines, you guys, is Mario Badescu. I love this line so much, you guys. It's so affordable. It's great. Their products are like actually high-end inside. They save their money on the packaging. Bada bing, bada boom. You're going to friggin' love it. Yes, I'm taking everything back to 1990s, you guys. 1990 on my channel. So that's where I grew up. That was my era, and I'm taking it back. I'm tired of the same old little backgrounds. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be a little bit different here. Okay, sugar and lemon scrub. Yes, this is in the BoxyCharm. I'm actually giving the whole BoxyCharm away, but I just want to show you guys what you'll be getting. The set of brushes. Yes, kept one for myself, kept one for you guys, because I order 2 boxes every month. One's for me, one's for you guys, and I said, you know what? I'm going to do it in this giveaway. Glycolic Foaming Cleanser from Mario. Boom. Love Mario. The Pure, I don't know how to say this, Diaries palette. Bam. Beautiful. Have one already because I order, like I said, 2 boxes. Then, you guys, this is the Clarins Energy Boost. Bam. You need to put this on your skin. It's going to look so amazing. I need to show you guys what I put on my skin every day. I use SkinCeuticals, and I frigging love, love, love it. Then Clinique, Take the Day Off. Bada bing, bada boom, your makeup comes off. Makeup Forever lipstick, because I love you guys so much. And thank you for getting us to 13K. The Vintage Eyeliner in Black from BoxyCharm. Yes, you guys, NARS, which is my favorite line, and you will see in just a few minutes when I do another video. Hi, you guys. My favorite line. Yes, yes. It's right there with Kat Von D. Caudalie, yes, you guys will love Caudalie. A little Molten Brown body wash you guys keep in the shower, take with you when you travel, whatever you guys want to do. Then you're receiving the highlight palette from Naked Cosmetics. I'm not going to open yours because I opened mine already. So that is yours. Also, the Cover FX. This is the same color. I think everybody got the same color. And it is in Amethyst. The purple one, you guys, it's so beautiful. So freaking nice. I absolutely love, love, love it. You guys, I'm like so nervous that I'm like so hyper. That's what happens when I get nervous. I get like really hyper. Then this is Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. And then the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. So you have both deluxe sizes to go with you. A little Laura Mercier mirror. I don't want to take the plastic off in the back. But it's super cute. Like, you could, like, look at yourself. Yes. Okay. The Brow Gal by Tony Crocus. I have this already, you guys. So, again, if this is something that doesn't work on your brows, use it as an eyeshadow primer. All this stuff works as an eyeshadow primer. Beauty Blender Wash. Everybody needs to wash their sponges, whether it's a Real Technique, Beauty Blender, or Dollar Sponge. It doesn't matter. You need to wash it. Then, also, I Am a Queen from Real Her. I do absolutely love their lipsticks. Then, a little Glam Glow mask. But I'm missing something, you guys. What am I missing? I am missing something. There's something else in this giveaway for you guys, and I know that it's somewhere, but I can't find it. Oh, hold on, you guys. It's right here. Hold the phone. You will be getting, because you need brushes. I know that I had another palette somewhere. I think I'm losing my shit. Okay, you guys will be getting the Morphe Eye Slay brush set, which I think is super adorable. It comes in this packaging. I don't want to open it for you guys. All the brushes like are, you know what? I'm just going to open it like this. I'm not going to touch the brushes. The brushes are all individually wrapped. Look at this. Bam! Right there. Love the color. Look at this. Oh yeah, definitely getting another one. Freaking love this. So, you guys, thank you so much for bearing with me with work, bearing with me when I'm sick. Like, there's nothing I could do, you know. It's just a waiting game now. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a waiting game, and yeah. Am I nervous? Yes. Am I going to have surgery? That's what I'm waiting to hear. But the minute I find out, I will totally let you guys know. Totally. So you guys, all right, that is it for this video. But I just want to show you all the amazing things you're going to win. You guys are going to want this so bad. It's for every single ethnicities. Yes, I said it right. Ethnicities. It's for everybody. So feel free to enter. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment asking me or telling me. Say, you know what? I think there should be 2 winners, Shay. I think there should be 1 winner. So whatever you guys want to leave, I just need a comment to know if I should divide this up. Because you know what? There are a lot of palettes here, you guys. There's 4. There's the Naked. Then there's the basic, and then there's the 2 sleek palettes. So it might be a lot of stuff for one person. So I think I should break it up for 2. You guys let me know what you think. And I'll do whatever you guys want. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day if you do celebrate. I have some cool stuff to show you guys that I found on Amazon. Definitely trying to change up my videos a little bit, you guys. I'm not jumping out there and getting the first next new thing because 50 million people already reviewed it. Like, it's another thing I'm going to talk about in another video. So I will get to that video when this one's done. So you guys, please subscribe to our amazing family right here. Yes, this room is going to be taking it back to the old school 1990s. That's how it's going to be. That's how I'm going to film. I thought it'd be fresh, fun, something different that you never see on YouTube. And that's me. Okay? I'm just kidding. All right, my friends. Peace out. Have a great day. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. Do not forget to subscribe to our amazing channel. Put that notification button on because now with YouTube, it's so hard to find us little guys that you can't really find us. Do you know what I mean? So make sure you do that if you can. If you have an Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Tell your friends, your family, your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, everybody. All right, my friends. Peace out. Have a great one. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Even though I think it's kind of a holiday. Whatever. Everybody has their own opinion on it. I don't know. Maybe when I was young, you guys, like when I was like 18, I loved it and always wanted like somebody to be my Valentine. Or if I didn't have a boyfriend, I was like so depressed on Valentine's Day. Like now it's like, these young girls are strong, independent, moving on, don't care if they have a date or not, going out with their friends, hanging out with their friends, doing this, that, and the third. You don't need a man or a woman to celebrate Valentine's Day. All you need is yourself and some good Netflix and chill. That's it. All right, you guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. I keep looking at my phone. I do apologize. I'm being rude, but I'm just nervous. All right, you guys, peace out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Now let me make a thumbnail. What am I going to use to make a thumbnail, you guys? Should I use this? But I was trying to save my background for a surprise because you guys can't really see everything that's going on with it. So let's do this, my friends. Let's do this. 13K giveaway. See, the problem is, you guys, I'll be honest with you. I have such an old camera. I'm not spending money on a $3,000 camera, not doing it. I don't have a microphone. I don't have a remote control. I don't have nothing. So this is how I film. So let's press it. Do we get it? No. See, I got to reach over and touch it. But I know that I'm bothering you guys when I do this. Oh, God. I hate taking selfies. Please, I wish somebody could do them for me. All right, let's see. Let me take a selfie. Let me try to pose like a real beauty guru. Hold on. I don't think it's going to work, you guys. It's okay. I know what. I'm going to take a different picture. Love you guys. Peace out. Have a great day. Ciao.